Okay guys, so last night, just as I was finishing up, I sprung a leak right where it goes into the cylinder, and it turns out, hopefully you can see, the sun's kind of on the wrong side here, there's an O-ring that goes around behind this flat washer here, and what happened was it basically the O-ring broke. I think it must just been a defective O-ring. So what we're going to do is, you didn't see me tear it apart, but I'm going to reassemble it and show you how he did that. So basically, let me move the camera a little bit. Once again, I apologize if the lighting isn't quite right here, but the sun's not cooperating and it's on the wrong side of the place. So what we're going to do, so basically what happens is this screws into here, but then the way it tightens up is there's a jam nut that basically pushes this metal washer against the O-ring up against the cylinder, and that's how it actually locks in. So it is going to spin freely to start out, and then once I get it on far enough, I'm going to back off my nut a little more. And that's so that you can get it at the right angle. I'll show you here. So that you can get it at this elbow at the right angle to be able to fit into these hoses down here. And I'll show you those after I get this kind of locked in. I'm going to try to pull the washer back a little further. I'll start as far back as I can. So I think I can get one more rotation on there if I'm careful about it. I guess that's as far as that's going to go. Okay. So I think what I'm going to do is, I may not tighten it, but I'm going to get the hose started. There's actually two hoses. I'll show you over here. So basically, this connector, I should say, goes into there, and then this one down here is going to sit on top of there. I had it down that way because it was draining and I didn't want it going all over the place. So yeah, so let me do that. There's a little bit of, not tension, but springing on the hose that it wants to push itself down. So when I want to take this out, by the way, this spins freely, but it wanted to, I'm trying to think, it wanted out, oh, okay. This, get this one on here first and show you. Okay, so that's the way it's going to end up. So I think what I'm going to do is tighten this up first, this nut first, and then I'll do this one and that one. I think what I got to do is move the camera so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I got that really tight. Not super tight, but tight enough where the washer should be locked in there. Okay, I got one more to do. Okay, I think that's all we need to, sorry, I think that's all we need to do here. Get rid of this oil. Okay, let's start it up and hope for the best here. Looks better. That's where it was leaking on the return. Just want to check for leaks. Okay, I think that'll fix it. I'll keep an eye on it and make sure where the joints meet, the different adapters meet, that there is no leaking in the future. I want to tighten it up enough, but one of the things that's tough is down here. There's a pipe. Let's see if I can show you. There's like a T that comes off on the side of this. And the issue is you can't get a wrench on here good enough to hold it while you're tightening this up. I think I got it tight enough, but I didn't want to, you know, mess anything else up. So I snugged it up as best I could. It was on there pretty hard initially. So, you know, hopefully I got it tight enough. I'll just keep an eye, like I said, of any hydraulic fuel leaking there, but I think I got it. And anything that leaks should show up down here on the push plate. We'll clean that off good so that if anything new comes, we'll see it. But yeah, so I want to give a big shout out to Jeff Ormiston. Happened to see him on the Thursday Thirsty Thursday last night, and he ended up texting me and was able to get the O-ring this morning. I went to Napa and had them match it up, and then put it all back together. It really wasn't that bad. You know, I was kind of a little leery first unhooking everything, that I was going to get something that I couldn't get back together, but it's all pretty simple design. So yeah, so as far as what we got done yesterday, we ended up filling up the tote that was mostly full of the non-bundle wood. Ended up with a full tote of bundle wood here, and then this is all I have left. I didn't get to, and we'll get that done as well. And I've got almost a full, probably 3/4 of a full log lift bag here that we'll finish filling up, and we'll go stack that somewhere as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, yesterday's video, today's video, whatever it is. And I hope you guys have a great week. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and you'll see more of these. And if you would leave a comment, that would be great. And give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.